Hello guys, get ready because in this video I am going to show you how to fix Play Store not working in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Google Play Store and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Google Play Store. After clear the cache memory, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.